Sanibona bafethu, I'm sure nyamazi lo mdlali lo semva kwami Monapule Saling. Monapule Saling bafethu umdlali Orlando Pirates lo. Wafika ngo2022 esayine Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates yamsayina ku Free State Stars ledlala lezansi, yabo. Ekufikeni kwakhe Monapule Saling usewina indondo eziningi Orlando Pirates. Usewina ama MTN 8, wawina futhi nama Nedbank Cups. So umuntu lo olaziyo ibhola, umuntu lo okwinelayo ama cups uma edlala. Monapule Saling ke ade agcina ukudlala kweOrlando Pirates. I'm sure abakhumbulayo bambona edlala kwiCAF Champions League lapho kona sadlala against iAl Ahly, yabo. Leyo game Monapule Saling waba negame imnandi umjida, sambona ecreate ama chances for Orlando Pirates. It's a pity Orlando Pirates ayikwazanga ukuyiwina leyo game. Leyo game yaphela ngobani? Yaphela ngo-0-0, yabo. I-return fixture ke yadlalwa le Cairo lapho khona sabulo Orlando Pirates ishaya iAl Ahly, yabo. But ke uMonapule Saling yena wayengekho kuleyo game leyo, yabo. So uMonapule Saling no-Orlando Pirates kunenkinga ezikhona, kunama issues akhona, yabo. Umjida ke uyakhala ukuthi imali ayithola kuOrlando Pirates ayikho that much, yabo. Ayikho that much. Young players abaphuma ukuthi they earn more money than uMonapule Saling, yabo. Ezinye zeyinkinga lezi ayikhale ngazo. Another problem issue yakhe ayinayo with Orlando Pirates ukuthi Orlando Pirates yablocka i-opportunity yakhe ukuthi ajoine i-team enkulu yale Africa. Kuleyo team leyo yini iAl Ahly. Ingakho he was granted an opportunity to play against the Al Ahly, because umukhumbula kahle when he played against the Al Ahly wayesehlala isikhathi eside engadlali kuOrlando Pirates, yabo. Wayesehlala isikhathi eside, so he saw it's okay njoba ngizodlala against the Al Ahly. Orlando Pirates yabona it's okay asimdlalisa against the Al Ahly because siyafuna uMonapule Saling ahambe. Siyafuna ukudayisa uMonapule Saling kwiAl Ahly because umjida akekho happy. Monapule Saling wadlala against the Al Ahly, but the following game Monapule Saling he didn't pitch up ukuthi azodlala azojima, yabo. Azojima neteam ajime ahead of igame ezodlalwa elandelayo. He didn't show up, so iOrlando Pirates yabona ukuthi ayikho into abazoyenza nabo. iAl Ahly yayizozama ukumenza umjida imsign because they failed to sign uMonapule Saling in the summer transfer window, so they opted to wait for uPercy Tau, because uPercy Tau bagcine bengakwazanga ukumsayina. If iAl Ahly yakwazi ukuhambisa uPercy Tau yayizokwazi ukusayina uMonapule Saling. So iAl Ahly yagcina isimhambise nini uMonapule Saling, yamhambisa kulo January lo wakulonyaka kule transfer window le, yabo. Kulelo window lelo Monapule Saling wayekade egcinile ukudlala, yabo. Wayekade egcinile ukudlala umjida, so kwangabe bengeke bakwazi ukusayina umdlali ongenayo game time, umdlali, yabo. Because iAl Ahly siyazi bafethu i-team edinga abadlali abatop, they need top players. But ke ngeke ngikhuluma kakhulu ngesituation yakhe uMonapule Saling, ngahamba i-researchela about the situation yakhe uMonapule Saling no-Orlando Pirates. I did previous videos, you can go through my videos, you will see i-video ngixoxa bazi ngodaba lakhe. But udaba engizokhuluma ngalo la, ngizokhuluma ngocoach weOrlando Pirates. Kuphume indaba ke namhlanje za coach weOrlando Pirates kuthiwa uJose Riveiro igame yakhe yokugcina uzoyicoacha against iGolden Arrows, lapho khona sobe sesimbona ukugcina ecoacha iqembu leOrlando Pirates, yabo. Izibhlungu ke indaba because as ama fans thina sisitshe uJose Riveiro uzohamba masekuphela isizini, yabo. Orlando Pirates yakhipha istatement ukuthi uJose Riveiro uyashiya iclub. Yayishiya iclub benza lento eyenziwa yiLiverpool. If you remember iLiverpool, they released a video, a statement stating ukuthi ucoach uyashiya kwiLiverpool, uJurgen Klopp. They did the same thing, yabo. So njobe ezohamba uJose Riveiro ukuhamba kwakhe yena ngokwakhe ufuna ukubuyela le eSpain eyohlala nomndeni wakhe, yabo. I did a video speaking about the issue Jose Riveiro, yabo. But ke iclub esifikile right now kune club efuna uJose Riveiro. Menikhumbula kahle uJose Riveiro washaya iAl Ahly ma group stages. Ekushayeni kwakhe iAl Ahly ma group stages eChampions League babona ukuthi hayibo lo coach lo oshaya thina kanje neSundowns lapha eSouth Africa uyakwazi ukuyishaya iSundowns eSouth Africa. Asike simbheke ukuthi ucoacha kanjani. Bezwa ukuthi uyahamba kwiOrlando Pirates mekuphela isizini, so they decided to contact uJose Riveiro nama representatives aJose ukuthi hayibo, we would like to sign this coach because lo coach lo ukwazi ukwenza into thina esihlulayo. Uma ukhumbula kahle iAl Ahly agcina nokushaya iMamelodi Sundowns, ade agcina iAl Ahly ukushaya iSundowns. Al-Ahly ine squad sabadlali ababizayo Africa jikelele. Njengoba bene squad esibizayo, they know ukuthi neSundowns nayo inaso isquad esibizayo, but iOrlando Pirates ayinaso isquad esibizayo. Orlando Pirates ikwazi ukushaya iSundowns iphinde iyoshaya iAl-Ahly. Ubani lo coach behind Orlando Pirates? And they saw to Jose Riviero, and lo Jose Riviero lo uyahamba mephela season. So they decided to contact Jose Riviero. Jose Riviero, I know ukhumbula ithi imndeni wakho ule Spain, but Egypt isondelene Spain. You can see your children anytime. Why don't you join the Egyptian Giants? Yabo, indaba lezo eziphumile kuthiwa ucoach be-expect ukuthi uzohamba ekupheleni kwesizini, but udecide ukuthi ahambe manje. Game yakhe izoba eNicolet Arrows, izobe kuyigame yakhe yokugcina le. Uzohamba manje khona ezothola more time with a club le Al-Ahly right now ina coach. Isasanda ukuxesha ucoach wayo, yabo. Ayina coach and bawodlala kwi Club World Cup, so they need a coach really fast. And lo coach loyo Jose Riviero. Jose Riviero, he'll be the coach ozo coacha i-team eyodlala le eAmerica kwi-FIFA Club World Cup. So mwase uhlanganise u1 no2, iAl-Ahly yayifuna bani? Yayifuna uMonapolio Saling. Yayifuna uMonapolio Saling iAl-Ahly. Ayikwazanga ngomthola uMonapolio Saling because kwakuneyinkinga between uSaling nemanagement yeOrlando Pirates. Kwakuneyinkinga between uSaling nemanagement yeOrlando Pirates. Angazi noma uyangifica yini uthi ngiyaphi la. uMonapolio Saling umdlali waJose Riviero odlala kunabo bonke abasebaba khona kubadlali baJose Riviero. Uyena mdlali owayesiza kakhulu uJose Riviero awine indondo anazo. Mase ubheke nje indondo anazo uJose Riviero, mase ubheka icontribution yeMonapolio Saling kulezo indondo, uzobona into engishoyo. You will see lento engishoyo. uMonapolio Saling wamsiza kakhulu uJose Riviero ukuthi awine lezi zinto nazo. Ngabe ngenzeka yini now ukuthi uMonapolio Saling amlandele uJose Riviero? Mina I see a pattern here. I see uMonapolio Saling joining iAl-Ahly ekupheleni kwesizini because ngezwa amahim to uMonapolio Saling. The reason why he doesn't play is because he signed a pre-contract with a certain club. Singesazi ukuthi yi-blue club. Amahim yabo. Singesazi. All I'm saying is that I see Monapolio Saling joining Jose Riviero lapha eCairo. Yabo, I see him being that player ozohamba naye. Asazi noma ikhona yini coaching staff ezohamba naye Jose Riviero ezomjoina le. Yabo, at the moment I don't know, but I foresee Monapolio Saling vying with Jose Riviero. Maybe naye Mfokeng. Who knows? There's a possibility because now Mfokeng was on the radar of iAl-Ahly. Asazi ukuthi noma le indaba lezi zizoqonda impela, and because next week uJose Riviero nema representatives akhe bayohlangana lapha eCairo, yabo, ku draft contracts, assign contracts, abe the new coach of iAl-Ahly.